Who should send this to me? My video wrong Pajala. Guys, sorry. Someone sent me a video. So I want to talk about the video.
Ẹ̀yin tèmi nínú fídíò yìí Lizzy Anjorin ó sọ̀rọ̀ nípa bí wọ́n ṣe ti kọ́kọ́ bá àwọn parí ìjà ní òun pẹ̀lú IYABO OJO. Ó sọ̀rọ̀ wípé IYABO OJO ó tún padà lọ kònáìfù pẹ̀lú ọ̀nkù Àjàlá tí ó ń sọ yìí ni ó ní òun ò mọ̀gbà tí wọ́n fi parí ìjà tán jọ jókòó tán parí ìjà náà o. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ni Lizzy Anjorin yóò sọ. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wo fídíò náà ní ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́.
The Mr. Jala that spoke to me and IYABO that called us some years back, maybe 14 or 15 years ago, or 16, 17 years ago. So the man that called both of us then. So they granted an interview. Then I want to play his video. So I want us to listen to it. I don't want to listen to it alone. I want to. Do you know why I want to play this video? I want you to see how typical Yoruba people, how they think. Regardless of what happened to you, if you allow anybody to destroy you, that destruction is for you and your family. And it's better for you to stand firm on your feet. Thank you. Someone said your lips is too fine. Thank you. Everything that I'm bringing for you guys, not that I have that time, but I want you guys to learn from it. You know, I was one that always advised you guys to build a house, buy lands, do a lot of good things. At the same time, some of us are down, that we don't even know what to do. So I always want to share with my experience with you guys. Let's listen to this Uncle Ajala. I've listened to small of his video. So now, let us listen to the video. I will drop my 1 or 2, 3 things. And we'll learn 1 or 2 things, we move. My previous video is that one that we will share. This one, I just want us to listen to it. Then, if you know any Agbalagba, let me tag them. I want us to listen to it.
IYABO OJO, òun àti LIZZY Anjorin, mo invite wọn pé mi ò fẹ́ kí kinní kó máa continue báyìí. Kí lójú oníkálùkù rojú ẹ̀, mo dẹ̀ bá wọn sọ, mo yanjú ẹ̀. IYABO OJO gan sọ, wọ́n ní mi gbọ́dọ̀ gbọ́ ìjà yín mọ́ ẹ parí ẹ̀. Mo dẹ̀ bá wọn yanjú nǹkan yẹn. Ó dẹ̀ dúpẹ́.
Mo kọ́kọ́ fẹ́ bèrè pé ìjọ òun náà ṣe gbogbo èèyàn IYABO OJO ló ń gbé wá ń sìn. Àwọn gbogbo èèyàn ló ń gbé wá. Àwọn tó dẹ̀ ló ń gbé wá, àwọn tó ti gbàgbé ló ń gbé wá. Mo fẹ́ bèrè pé ìjọ òun náà ṣe fídíò. Ẹ bá mi share show, ẹ bá mi share.